A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our science class. In today's class, we will be continuing chapter number 13, Green and Clean Earth. In the previous class, we have started with the pollution. We have defined pollution. So what is pollution? Any undesirable change which is caused by human being that cause harm to other living organism. It is called as the pollution. Now, what are pollutants? The substances that cause the pollution, they are called as the pollutants. Now, in today's class, we will be studying about water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So, first of all, let us study about water pollution. So, what is water pollution? The pollution which is caused by or in the water, that pollution it is called as the water pollution. How do the water pollution it is caused? It is caused by washing the clothes or utensils in nearby river, lake, ponds, or by bathing in nearby water bodies like the river, lake, ponds, by the use of fertilizers. Who use the fertilizers? Farmers. Farmers, they use the fertilizers. And what happens when there is rain? Along with the rainwater, that fertilizer, it move into the nearby water bodies. What are the water bodies? Like river, lake, pond. These are the water bodies. And the other cause of the water pollution, it is by the dirty water from our homes, from our kitchen, it moves into a drain, and that drains, it finally release all the dirty water in nearby water body. It causes the water pollution. Now we have studied so many causes of the water pollution. Now, how to keep the water clean? First of all, we must not wash the clothes, utensils in the water bodies. We should not bath in the river, lakes, streams. This may prevent water pollution. We should not throw garbage in nearby water bodies. We should not use plastic bags. Now next that we will be studying. Before going to the next pollution, that is the soil pollution, let us quickly revise this water pollution. Water pollution, it is caused by washing the clothes or utensils in the water bodies. What are the water bodies? River, lake, ponds, streams, these are the water bodies. Dirty waters from our home and factories, this goes into the drains, and that drain finally releases it into nearby water bodies. Farmers, they use the fertilizers. These fertilizers, they are carried away by rain, and then it mixes with water bodies, and thereby this also pollutes the water. Now, keeping the water clean. How to keep the water clean? Do not throw garbage into water bodies. Do not wash clothes in or near water bodies. The dirty water from home, factories must be treated first at water treatment plant and then allowed to go into water bodies. From our house, the dirty water, it is released from our bathroom, from our kitchen, it goes into a drain. From that drain, the water should not be directly released into a nearby water body. What we must do, that water, it must first go to a water treatment plant and then it should be released into the nearby water body, so that the water, this dirty water, do not pollute the water bodies. So these are the ways to keep the water safe. Now next we will be studying, that is the soil pollution. Soil pollution also we can say that it is also caused by the use of the fertilizers. Yes or no? Yes, because farmers, they are using the fertilizers nowadays. So this fertilizers, this causes both the soil and water pollution. Now soil pollution, when harmful waste mix with soil, they cause soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused by waste from waste from our home. Like every day, if we are using a milk packet, what we used to do, we used to consume that milk and we used to drain that plastic. So what does it cause us? It causes a soil pollution only, that plastic. And the waste, this mixes with soil, this causes the soil pollution. Soil pollution, it is also caused from the waste from the homes, from the factories, and from the agricultural farm. From the agricultural farm, how the soil pollution is caused? Nowadays in the agriculture we are using a lots and lots of pesticides. That pesticides, it is causing the soil pollution. So now let us write how do the soil pollution it is caused. Soil pollution, it is caused by waste from home, from factories, and also agricultural waste. This agricultural waste, it also causes the soil pollution. We have studied the different causes of the soil pollution. Now, how to keep the soil clean? First of all, we must not throw the garbage here and there. We must not use the plastics. Instead of plastic, we must use the bags which are made of the cloth or the paper. We must not use the plastic. Now next that we will be studying, that is the last, it is the noise pollution. What is the noise pollution? The loud, unpleasant sound. It causes the noise pollution. How do the noise pollution it is caused? Noise pollution it is caused by a loud, unpleasant sound. If the sound it is so loud, unpleasant sound. What is unpleasant sound? The sound that doesn't make us feel happy, like the sound from the horn, the honking of the horns, that sound. If the music we are playing in a very high volume, if the loudspeakers, the sound from the loudspeakers, this all, they are the noise, they are the causes of the noise pollution. In Diwali we used to burst lots and lots of firecrackers. This also causes a noise pollution. Noise pollution it is also caused by the firecrackers. Firecrackers it cause both noise pollution also and air pollution also. Both the pollution is caused by the firecrackers. Now if we are listening to music in a very high volume for a long period of time, so this may damage our ear also. So it is not good for us. So noise pollution, loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Noise from automobiles, aeroplanes and factories cause discomfort to people and results in noise pollution. So noise pollution, we have studied the causes. Now the ways to prevent the noise pollution. What are the ways to prevent the noise pollution? Play music system and television at low volume. Do not blow horn unless necessary. Some of the people, they used to blow horn without any reason. So do not blow the horn unnecessarily. So this may prevent the noise pollution. So in today's class we have studied about the soil pollution, noise pollution and water pollution. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and God bless you all.